Igbo ekene unu eji m n'aka n'unu na si mma ana m anabata unu tata na agba nke asatọ in our series of learning. Ọ bụrụ na tata bizizi na-esonye anyị nnọọ unu bụ ndị na-esonye anyị eri oge unu mere ọfụma wee chieta azụ ọ ka bụkwa nwa unu nwaanyị Ngozi Mmadụ. Udo dịrị unu onye nkụzi Igbo gị na Igbo Amaka TV. Na-etufu ihe ọbụla n'izu gara aga anyị mụrụ maka arụ anyị site na ntutu dị anyị n'isi wee luo n'ọba ọkpa. Anyị na-ekwela anyị ife ndị dị anyị n'ime arụ ife a na-akpọfa. Last week we learned about the human part of the body from the head to the toe, and we also look inward some of the things you can find inside the body. For example, the kidney, the heart, the liver, and all of those. What are they called in Igbo language? The link to that video will be at the description box and also to every of our previous video for the benefit of those whose today is the first time or who have missed any of our video. Tata anyị chọrọ ịmụ maka ụbọchị ahịa na-anọ ụbọchị na-anọ enwere n'ala Igbo, the 4 market days. Ọ ga-abụrụ maka ụbọchị ọnwa na oge. When we learned about the dates, the time, and the month, we made mention of the 4 market days in Igbo land. Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, mana anyị akọwara ya ọfụma. Tata anyị ga-akọwa ya ọfụma kedu ka o si wee bịa. I'm going to take us back to a little history from 1300. So we are going to do a little history. Today's video will be very interesting, very important. So with that, I will speak more of English to carry everybody along for the benefit of those who don't understand Igbo language. I want everybody to partake in this. Please, I stand to be corrected. I'm still a child. I'm still learning. Feel free. You can put it at the comment section here, or you can also send me private message. Put it at the comment section so that everybody will also see it and learn along. So everything I'm going to say today, I stand to be corrected. So with that being said, at the end of today's teaching, we are going to do a little assignment. We are going to use these 4 market days to solve the 4 cardinal points and the fundamental elements. So get yourself a seat, sit comfortably, get a glass of water. I don't want you to be in a haste or to be bored. Get something to chew, just relax. Today is Sunday. O si na mmụọ. Ndị Igbo ọbụna ibulu onye Igbo ife ị ga-ama bụ na isi na mmụọ. Ibulu onye Igbo ife bụ ọkala mmụọ, ọkala mmadụ, ikpetere ya n'ụka. Abụrụkwa ife ọjọọ na ịbụ ọkala mmụọ, ọkala mmadụ. Nya bụ na ọ dị mkpa mmadụ nọrọ ka ịmala onye Igbo. Maka na ọ bụrụ na ịmala onye Igbo, ịfụ na ụfọdụ ife ndị na-afịa gị arụ ayara na-afịa gị arụ. Mana ọ bụ ife ndị a ka m chọrọ ikwu tata. Nya bụ afịa na ụbọchị na-anọ enwere n'ala Igbo si na mmụọ. It represents a lot. When it comes to the fundamental element, that is the fire, the air, the land, the water, we use Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. When it comes to the 4 cardinal points, the east, the west, the north, the south, we use Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. When it comes to prayer, we pray with Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. For example, ọ bụrụ na ọjị ka ị na-agọ ịgọgide ọfọ gọgide ọfọ gọgide ọfọ gọgide ọfọ gọgide ọfọ. Ị bụrụ na nzu ka iji wee gọọ ọfọ ịkọcha ọfọ ị ga-aka nzu n'ala ugboro 4 Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Ọ bụrụ na edo ka iji wee dozie ụzọ gị idozizi ụzọ gị ị ga-atụsị ya n'ala ugboro 3 Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Ọ bụrụ na ọsọ ọjị ka iji wee nụchaa onwe gị, that is asking forgiveness of sin to purify yourself, ị ga-eji ya wee gaa n'isi gị ugboro 4 Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ tupu ịtụfuo ya. Ikpesi ekpele ihe ekpego m na Eke kpee n'Orie, otu akpeli otu akọ ga-ele na Eke lee n'Orie lee na Afọ lee na Nkwọ. Abịa n'afa anyị na-azị ya dịka afa mgbe Eke, mgbe Orie, mgbe Afọ, mgbe Nkwọ for every female, and to male we still have Okeke, Oke Afọ, Oke Nkwọ. Till today, people still say it. In fact, I say na ibulu onye Igbo male na ịba ịga mgbe Eke, mgbe Orie, ọsọkwa gị si na ọ bụ afa ndị ugly. Otu anakịta dị ugly. Mana m ka ga-echiche trace mgbe amụrụ m, because na ọ bụrụ na mmalụ mgbe amụrụ m, ọ bụrụ mgbe Eke m ga-azịrakwa nya bụ mgbe Eke, na I will bear it very proudly. So male na ịbụ mgbe Eke, mgbe Orie, maọbụ mgbe Afọ, maọbụ mgbe Nkwọ, male na ọ bụ ife ịbụ maka na ọ bụ mbọsị amụrụ gị. how did we come about these 4 market days? Anyị nwere na Igbo, unlike the 7 days ndị ọzọ nwere. Ahịa na ụbọchị na-anọ dịka akụkọ si wee kọọ in the 1300. Oge Ezenri Jiofọ nke izizi, who happens to be the 5th in line of the Ezenri lineage, dịka ọchịchị anyị Igbo si dịka ofufe ọchịchị anyị Igbo si wee dị. N'oge Ezenri Jiofọ nke izizi na-achị, ka ndị ọbịa ịnọ 4 strangers walked into his palace. These 4 strangers came with a basket. They were carrying a basket. They didn't greet and they didn't respond to greeting. They pretended as if they are deaf and they are dumb. They don't talk and they don't hear. They were asked their name, but they never said anything. They stood by until Ezenri Jiofọ called Adamma, one of her servants, to show the strangers where to have a rest. Ịbụla onye Igbo, ịnọbịa dị anyị na-arụ. Anyị bụ ndị maka esi enọbịa ọfụma. So these 4 wise strangers were given a place to have their rest. Then they refused to eat nor drink. At night, they were showed a place to sleep. Oge ha na-alarụ ụla, ka Ogbuafa zipụrụ Oke, that's Ezenri Jiofọ soothsayer, sent a rat to go and attack that basket those 4 wise strangers came with, in order to know what is inside. When the rats get to the room where they were asleep, the first basket there was that of Eke. As the rat was about to nap the basket, Nyabonkata, Orie started calling Eke to wake up. He called him Eke to wake up, that a rat wants to attack his basket. Eke woke up and the rat ran. When they slept again, they sent in this rat until they all mentioned their 4 names. In the morning, Ezenri came into the room where they were given to sleep, and he mentioned their names: Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwo. They were surprised and overwhelmed how Ezenri Jiofọ get to know their name. They were now offered a kola, Oji Ototo, and they accepted. After eating the kola, they followed Ezenri Jiofọ to his obi, and here they presented him with 4 pots. Eke, who spoke on behalf of the 4 wise men, told Ezenri Jiofọ that the first pot belongs to him, Eke, the second to Orie, the third to Afọ, and the 4th to Nkwo. He told Ezenri Jiofọ that this pot was sent from Chukwu, the supreme being, and Chukwu said he should bury this pot at the entrance of the Obi, and in the name of this pot they should buy and sell, and in the name of this pot that they should observe the name of this pot daily, and their offspring shall bear the name of this pot. Ezenri Jiofọ sent in messenger to go to the land and announce to the people what Chukwu has said. At the noon of that day, these 4 wise men vanished. They disappeared, and the news gets round all Igbo land. That is why any place that is Igbo land is known with this 4 market day. Doesn't mean whether you are South or South Delta, whichever one you are. If it is Igbo land, then it must have this market day, and it has been observed till today. And henceforth, a marketplace was set up for people to come and buy and sell. And before then, how Igbos buy and sell is, if you have maize and you want to buy melon, You take your maize to someone that have melon and you exchange it until this market was set up. People now come in with what they have. They exchange it with what they want. Our time is fast spent, but let me answer some questions people sent me earlier on. Someone asked me, what is Eke Ukwu? Eke Ukwu simply means the last Eke market day in a month. If today is Eke and today happens to be the 28th day of this month, remember that Igbo have 28 days in a month. So if today is Eke and today is the 28th day, today is the Eke Ukwu. Today is the last Eke of that month. If somebody tell you that something will happen in next Eke market day, or in 2 Eke market days, or in 8 Eke market days, it's simply telling you that something will happen next week, next 2 weeks, or 8 weeks to come. So today I'm making this video is Eke. So if somebody tell you that something will maybe her daughter is getting married in next 2 Eke market days, telling you that the daughter will get married in next 2 weeks. So when you count after 4 days, the next Eke, then the upper Eke, that is when it will take place. If somebody tell you that you will do this in next market day, it simply means tomorrow, which is the Orie. So that is how it is. Like I said earlier that we're going to do a little assignment using the 4 market day to solve the 4 cardinal points and the fundamental elements. That is what we are going to do now because our time is far spent. So I'm going to put it here, give you some seconds to solve it yourself. So were you able to figure it out? Okay, let's do it together. The 4 market days, which is the Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo, bring it to the 4 cardinal points: the east, the west, the south, and north. The east bu Eke. In the fundamental element is the land. The west is Orie. In the fundamental element, it is water. The south is Afo. In the fundamental element, it is the air. And the north is Nkwo. And in the fundamental element is the fire. Kita ki geji we malifenda wasambo na anaghị agba ife ọkụ. Anaghị abụ mbụ everywhere. Egwu ka ndị egwu. Lagos abụrụ sọ mmili na ndị. Ani Igbo wee magbuzie onwe ya. Igbo onwe m ebe a ka ife ọmụmụ anyị nketa ya bịa n'isi njedebe. Ọ ya adịkwa n'izu ọzọ oge anyị ji ewetala unu series of learning in Igbo. Biko na ka nsi wee kwuo na mbụ I stand to be corrected. Ọ bụ na onwe ife nkwulu nne kwutere mee ka mmadụ na the comment section. Ị nwekwara ike sendelu m email at mmadụsfamily2019@gmail.com. Ọ bụ na onwe topic ịchọ ka m kwuo maka ya mee ka mmadụ. Ọ bụ na onwe ife ịchọ ka anyị kụzie mee ka anyị malụ. Ngwakwanụ Igbo bụ Igbo ka emesịa.